Here's how you do the finger picking pattern for Landslide. First, we're not going to use the E strings at all, so just pretend that they're not there. We're going to use the A string, D string, G string, and B string. And I want you to start with your thumb on the A string, just like this. I'm not holding any chord. All I have is my capo on the 3rd fret right there. So open strings for now. Just do this. A, D, A, D. Now I'm going to prop my pinky up here just for bracing myself and to free up these 3 fingers. So it's going to be A, D, A, D, A, D. If that's uncomfortable, you can just let your hand kind of float here and A, D, A, D. So get it back and forth. Get that thumb going. Once you can do that thumb, you're ready for the next step. The next step is thumb, G string, thumb, B string. And I use my other fingers, my middle finger for the B string, and I'm using my first finger for the G string. Okay, so it's A, G, D, B. A string, G string, D string, B string. Thumb, first, thumb, third. Thumb, first, thumb, third. So get that going. Once you've got that together, then you can focus on your other hand. Do the exact same picking, but hold a C chord relative to the capo. It's actually sounding an E flat chord, but relative to the capo, that's a C chord. So thumb, first, thumb, third. The next chord is a G chord with B in the bass that you normally will play like this. But since we're not using the E string, you don't have to worry about that. So the way to transfer to that chord is like this. 2nd finger and pinky right here. So normally you'd play the chord like this. Okay? But since we're not using the E string, you only need those 2 fingers. Thumb, first, thumb, third. Thumb, first, thumb, third. The next chord is A minor 7. So this finger is going to transition to here, and this finger is going to transition to here. Same picking pattern. And then we go back to this one. So all together it's this. Oops. Okay, record that twice in a row, and you've got it. If you want to get fancy about it, this happens on the recording too. That's just a pull-off. Good luck.